Today I want to share how to create an audience for your campaigns inside Chatwith. This is the tool to create campaigns. Campaigns means we are going to send out a message to our customers, and the first step is to create the audience. So you can upload a file, or there are other options. No, you can use many contacts, you can use Odoo, you can use your own widgets, you can automate the process to import new members in this audience. So there are a few things you can do here, but I mean, we are going to do the simplest one, that is to upload a file. If you want to upload a file, that means you're going to upload any Excel file that at least have a phone number in the columns. So for example, this is a file. I mean, you can have as many columns as you want, you can have as many data as you want, you can use any type of format for the Excel. What we need is only to have a column with phone numbers. Once you import the file, we are going to ask, which one you want to be the phone number, which one you want to use as a phone number. If there is no country code in the numbers, we will ask you which country code do you want to add into the numbers, because to make this work, we need to have country code and the phone number. So we need to have both together. So we are going to ask you if you want to add a country code number. If not, of course, you can do it manually, but maybe it's too much work. Once you have the data imported, you can delete columns if you don't need them. For example, we don't need this one. We don't need this one. This one is good. This one is comments or something, so we don't need it. So we are going to keep just the labels and the phone number. In this case, we don't have anything else, but that's good for me. I'm going to save. So now I have my audience. This is the audience I have created. There is something I can do here, and it's to filter. I can filter the audience to have less users. So for example, I can use, only if there is a Salesforce, for example. So let's select the column notes, contains, and I'm going to add Salesforce. So this filter is going to narrow my list to members with Salesforce as a label. So I'm going to generate. This is going to create a new audience based on the previous list. So now I have two audiences. I have the one with everyone, and now I have an audience only with the Salesforce tag. So this is done. I'm going to create my campaign. I'm going to do a manual campaign so you can see how this works. Manual campaign means I'm going to say welcome to the webinar for Salesforce users. Okay. So this is the audience. There is 257 members. That's good. And here I'm going to say, hey, welcome to this webinar. Please join us here next Monday. Okay. And I can put a link here. I'm going to add something like Google. That's it. So you can see it. And I can upload a file, if a photo, for example. With photos, now what we do is we make a preview of the image, so it looks nice in the message. So this is good for me. I'm going to create, and now I have all my messages ready to go. I can send a WhatsApp. I can send an iMessage. That's optional, and I can preview and send, or I can just go ahead and send. When I click here, I just start sending these messages out to my users. So this is good. I will send it,